Got a new DXV08SA Dewalt vacuum. It's a wet dry vac, 8 gallon, 5 horse. There's all the little details about it. It's got a crush resistant hose. Yes, it's another product of Dewalt. The yellow and black products. There's a list of all the items that are included. Crush resistant hose, like I said. Picked this up at Costco. We just pulled it out of the box. There it is in the plastic. There's the extended wands, the Dewalt manual. There's the tools out inside. You'll find the rest of your tools and the hose with a bag that you can hook up to catch the dust. There's the head. The little bag there that's got the wheels in it, you can use that to put all your parts in, all your accessories. There's the crush resistant hose. Nothing too exciting here. I did hook this up to my little vortex that I made with a 3D printer just to see how it would do. Got quite a bit of vacuum on this thing, so we're looking forward to using it in the dust shop collection. Thanks for stopping by.